Hello everyone, welcome to Mindscape. This is Sports Psychology lecture number 19, first lecture of final term. It is the continuation of 18th lecture. Is about anxiety, arousal and stress relationship. In today's lecture, we are going through the topic measurement of anxiety, time to event, nature of pre-competitive anxiety, and the relationship between anxiety and performance. Let's move toward the first topic of the today's lecture, measurement of anxiety. So the first and the preferred way of in the recent year of measuring the anxiety is pencil and paper inventories, and there are many more inventories for the measurement of anxiety such as sport, competition anxiety test, sport anxiety scale, competitive anxiety inventory, and competitive state anxiety inventory too. While pencil and paper inventory's most common measure of anxiety is behavior, and one category of behavior measurement is direct observation, like observation, for example, the behavior of the person or the sportman is observed by the psychologist, like clammy hand, diarrhea, dry mouth, fidgeting, then increased respiration, irritability. All these are the examples of the distress-related behavior responses. Second is time to event nature of the pre-competitive anxiety. So when we talk about it, time to nature, it is the ability to obtain independent measure of cognitive and somatic state anxiety. The first factor that influence the anxiety is the pre-competitive, and we called it pre-competitive anxiety. It is the leading up of to competition, while the second one is somatic state, and pre-competitive starts with the high and remains high and will be stable during the competition, while the somatic state anxiety or the arousal arises lower at its start point and then increases with the time, then fluctuate with the time. So the relationship between arousal and the athletic performance. The relation is measured by or can be explained by inverted U theory or the drive theory. Inverted U theory explains that sporting performance improves as arousal level increase, but that there is a threshold point. Any change in any arousal in the threshold point will worsen the performance. And the evidence of inverted U relationship between athletic performance and the arousal is documented by Clavora, Sonstrom, and Bernardo, and they were able to explain the relation between that is inverted U theory. Basketball performance is related to the level of arousal. Similarly, Simon, Vera, and Burton explain it in shooting and swimming. The last topic of today is drive theory, and basically the performance is the combination of arousal and the skill level. There are three tent points, basic tents of the drive theory. Increased arousal will elicit the dominant response. The response associated with the strongest potential to respond is the dominant response, and early in the learning or the complex task, the dominant response is incorrected response. And drive theory received tremendous amount of attention from researchers between 1943 to 1970. However, then interest in the theory has diminished significantly. This is all about today. Now,